Bear's Den Trail Center, a popular respite for folks hiking along the Appalachian Trail.
Appalachian is a Native American word. It means to quit your job and go on a really, really long hike.
Let's take a closer look.
This is some castle stuff happening here. Perhaps the builders played with a lot of Legos when they were a kid.
The trail center is closed. C'est la vie. So we're going to focus on the exterior shots and other shenanigan tomfoolery jokes that spontaneously come to my head.
As far as hippie hostel hiker places, this is top tier.
I'm not quite sure what kind of architecture this is. It has a very medieval vibe.
Castles were designed by the French. They also created crying. The French love to cry.
Bear's Den is really built like a castle. I like that. It's very medieval. All it needs are some knights, a moat, and a dragon. There are numerous picnic areas, lots of fire pits, and place to hang out and make new friends. Talk about different hiking techniques, methods, stuff.
Firewood is expensive, but you get a real good discount on that OG Kush.
And places for people to hang out, frolic, relax, recover for their big Appalachian Trail trek. Bear's Den is also the great place to get the good weed when you're on the Appalachian Trail.